So today we are going to make one dance tutorial, Disco Deewane song for you. So shall we? Okay, we'll start from first step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then left leg cross to your right leg. Then right leg forward. One more time. Jump के साथ हम ये करेंगे. 1, 2. Then turn. 3, 4. Again left leg cross to your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then just it. That's it. You फिर से करते रहेंगे. 5, 6, 7. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and hit. That's it. The second one is 1, 2, 3, 4. थोड़ा जाने. One more time. 5, 6, 7. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6. Rotate 3, 8. Clear? One more time. From beginning. 5, 6, 7. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Just hit 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. इसी वाले लिरिक्स स्टार्ट होते हैं हमारे सारी की सारी दुनिया बुला के. I don't know the proper lyrics, but let's try. It's like सारी की सारी. How you do? The first one is just jump on your right leg. Then left से हम टाइप करेंगे. It's like 1, 2. Then jump on your left, right, slide. Now hand should be like, your hand first will go on your right, on your left, sorry. Then hand will go on your right. One more time. It's like 1, 2. Simple. It's 1, 2. Now leg should be like 1 and 2. Now both 1, 2. Then 3, 4 is like normal. 3, 4. It's like 3, 4. One more time. 5, 6, 7. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then prince. 5. Hip joint. Hip joint. Hip, chest, in, neck, in. Hands like this. Then drag. One more time. 5, 6, 7. It's like सारी के सारी दुनिया भुला के मैं तेरे नाल नचना. Got it? After this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hip joint. चने के खेत में, like hip joint. Then feet together. One more time. 5, 6. Finish here. Then after this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 together. Then just normal shake your body. This. Finish here. Jump on your right, jump on your left. One more time. Jump on your right, jump on your left. Hand should be like 1, 2, up, then up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then just rotate 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now hand should be like 1, 2, 3 and 4. After 4, Michael. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then turn and up. Clear? After this, the main signature step is Disco Deewane, but थोड़ा हम इसमें change करेंगे. Now hand should be like 1, 2. Jump. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now hip joint should be like 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now both it's like 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Together 5, 6, 7. Start 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. After 7, now the back current step. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. एक बार मैं फिर से बताता हूँ from beginning to end. 5, 6, 7. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Hit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And drag 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Feet together, relax. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The last step is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. This is the whole tutorial of Disco Deewane song. Then let's start with music.
There's something about tonight, something very special, something about the way you move that thing, something very special. Here we go.
सारी की सारी दुनिया भुला के मैं तो तेरे नाल नचना.
Baby, you so sexy.
For you to be my one and only, मैं तो तेरे नाल नचना.
When I see you looking at me, आजा बात कर ले दिल की, होने लगेंगे अफसाने.
So it, so sing it, now throw your hands up and say.
ओ दीवाने,
Oh, disco दीवाने. चीली है रात, तू हाथों में हाथ.
नाचेगा रे सारा.
तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए प्लीज़ डू लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर आवर यूट्यूब चैनल फ्लाई हाई एंटरटेनमेंट.